Alright, we got the most important meal of the day. One of which I never eat, but thanks, Uncle Dennis. We appreciate you. Thanks for letting us stay.
You made the call, man. You said banana pancakes.
Pancakes.
With chocolate chip.
Well, they were pretty good last time, so. The fuel.
Fuel for today.
Big Swiss tournament. Here we are, back at Dublin Bowl, third time this year. It's been going pretty good so far here, I can't lie. We finished third, the regional, and then we came down here for a sweeper and we won. It's a fun tournament, we bowled 8 games today, 2 blocks of 4, 2 different patterns, 5-man Swiss. We have Dave, Ray, Prather, and Chris, 5, whatever. So our team's okay. I will probably play the 1, Dave claimed the 2, and the other 3 can choose, do whatever they want. It's usually a fun tournament, it's a long day. I'm trying to fly home at like 10:40 tonight, so hopefully we finish in time so I can make that. If not, it could get a little complicated. But let's just say we'll finish on time. Optic bowling on 3. 1, 2, 3, optic bowling! That's actually our team name, guys. Anybody from Optic watching that's not Ray?
He dressed for the occasion.
Let's go. He did. I did too. We're ready. Optic, let's go. Optic bowling, let's make it a thing. So far, so good. We had 11:29 game 1, and we are leading by over 100. So they didn't seem that hard to us, but I guess the scoring pace is not as high as we thought. So we're in a good spot. Just gotta keep going, keep plugging away. Almost at 300. He was out of wood after the first frame, though. Good game. Baby, so far so good. Currently leading the tournament in total pins and wins. I'm thinking if we get at least 3 more wins, we'll lock it up because our total pins are pretty high, and that's the tiebreaker. So if we have 1 more block just like that, we should be walking home champions. 1 game at a time, though. Good job, friends. Nice work. Optic bowling. Domination.
Good set. Good set. 4-0. Boys are holding it strong.
Got to do it again.
Main Chris by shot with like 150 over.
Yeah, 150 over.
Yeah, probably beating the field by like 80 pins.
He's got it good so far. Hopefully we keep it good. All right, we have this tradition where we always go to Burger King at the break. Swiss. Literally have Burger King once a year. You can't break tradition, right? Right? Right! from this guy. Nice clutch Brooklyn from that guy. And now we're 6-0. One more game, one more win, I should say, and we should be good to go. Game 7 update, we got our first loss. We are now 500 over and change, I think, which is leading the field by a marginal amount. PJ's team, they found something in the middle of the game and they rolled us. We ran into that urethane transition where reactive was starting to get good. And they went to it in the right spot, right when it got good. And it was a close match. We lost by 60-ish, closer than it seemed. We're just gonna have to be quick to make some moves. It was a fun ride. That was fun. Yep. I was kind of hoping to come in and just dominate everybody, but that one feels way better.
It wasn't pretty.
Well, I gotta catch a flight. We're gonna take a picture real quick, and then I'm out. Like, I gotta go.